I'm about to walk you through step by step of how to make money using affiliate marketing to sell anything you want on Pinterest. So the very first thing that you need to do is have these 5 tabs open. The first tab you're going to have is ChatGPT. The second tab you're going to have is placeit.net. I'll keep the link inside the description so you can go ahead and find it with ease. Next thing you're going to have is SWAPFUNNELS, but of course there's funnel builders out there. What makes this different is that this is done for you. I'm going to show you in just a second. All right. And the next page you're going to have is also SWAPFUNNELS, and I'm going to show you how this works. And the next page is going to be Amazon.com. And lastly, you're going to have Pinterest. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I said 5, but 2 of them is still one website. So we are still good here. Now, the first thing that we need to do is we need to ask ChatGPT to make us an ebook. Why do we want an ebook? Well, we want an ebook because we want to be able to give our visitors something in return for their email so we can follow up with them later on to bring them back to our website to make a purchase just in case they didn't. All right. Ask ChatGPT to give an ebook. So I went ahead and I did that. A homemade pumpkin spice latte ebook. Okay. Do it yourself ebook so people can do this ingredients at home. Now, ChatGPT gave me the whole ebook right here, and I can go ahead and I can put this on a PDF document. Now, the next tab right here is placeit.net, and placeit.net has ebook mockups, model mockups, phone mockups, anything you need. So let's just say you created that ebook and you want to put it on a phone just to show people that you can look at this ebook on your phone, right? You can see the pumpkins in the background. That's what placeit.net allows you to do. Easily put up your image right here on all of these mockups. And let's say you just want it on a book, you can put your image right here on a book just like that, on a t-shirt, whatever the case may be, so you can go ahead and give your visitors that ebook in exchange for their email, right? In which that will take place right here on this page right here. And as you can see, this page right here is empty. This is SWAPFUNNELS. So all you have to do is swap out the images and the text, and I'll show you right here on the screen how it looks. It looks absolutely beautiful. And all I had to do was just replace the image and replace the text and make it the page exactly the way I want to. All right. This very next page right here is your affiliate page. Okay. And so right here, your visitors will be able to come here, press on the Amazon affiliate link, and go ahead and purchase it right on Amazon. Now, right here on Pinterest, once you post your pin, all of your visitors will be able to see your pin, read the description, and then ultimately they'll go ahead and they'll click your link right here, which will take them right back to your Amazon affiliate page that you created right here on SWAPFUNNELS. Now, let me show you everything step by step so you can do this and you can have affiliate commissions coming in the next 24 hours. Right now, I'm on SWAPFUNNELS.com, and SWAPFUNNELS already have these pre-built sales funnels that all you have to do is swap and go. Now, if for those of you who are not interested in collecting emails, that's no problem. We're going to get right into it, right? And right here, as you can see on SWAPFUNNELS, we have a bunch of different images right here that we can simply swap and go and text to swap and go. Now, if I exit out of this right now, you guys will be able to see that I am trying to promote lattes, right? I'm trying to promote pumpkin spice lattes to my audience. Now, the very first step that we're going to do, we're going to go on ChatGPT and we're going to ask ChatGPT, hey, listen, can you create me a homemade pumpkin spice latte do-it-yourself recipe book? And ChatGPT went ahead and wrote out a whole ebook that I can go ahead and give out to my interested audience. Okay, and so what I'm gonna do with this ebook is I'm going to go and put it on this bridge funnel front page right here so the people can get their ebook for free, and therefore I have a customer to follow up with. The next thing that I asked ChatGPT to do is to create me a list of all of the ingredients for homemade pumpkin spice latte. Now, it created me this list right here, and so what I went ahead and did was I went on Amazon and I found all of these products that is on this list. As you can see, this list is right here. And so what I went ahead and did was look on Amazon and I found these products right here. And right now, this right here, what I'm building is called an affiliate page. Okay, all of these products right here came from Amazon as an affiliate links. So if anybody were to come onto your page and click your link, you would be able to get a commission if they were to go ahead and purchase that. All right, so I'm going to show you exactly how I was able to do that. So the first thing I did was I went on Amazon, and as you can see right here inside of the list, it says espresso machine or coffee maker. So I went ahead in Amazon and I typed in espresso machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna recommend this double coffee maker right here. And so what I'm gonna do here, as you can see, Amazon associate right here at the top, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get the text link. I'm gonna grab that, I'm gonna copy that. And so now, and also I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna save this image. Okay, I'm gonna save that just like that. Look how simple this is. I'm gonna come back to SWAPFUNNELS. I'm gonna press this settings and I'm gonna put the image right inside of here. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put that link right here. That's my Amazon affiliate link, and I'm gonna press check. As you can see, the image is right here, and the button colors, I was trying to mimic Amazon, but you can change the button colors however you want to change them to. And then the same thing, like on the list right here, it says canned pumpkin, and as you can see right here at the top, we already have canned pumpkin right here as an affiliate link. And the next thing we want to get is water, but I'm pretty sure they have that at home. And the next thing is brown sugar. I went ahead and I uploaded the picture, as you can see right here. And inside of the link, we're gonna go ahead and put our affiliate link inside of there, just like that. And now, as you can see, the pictures is different sizes, but that's okay. We just come over here and resize it. Here's everything everybody would need in order to make this pumpkin spice at home, all right? And everything here is an affiliate link. And once again, if they go ahead and you send the traffic, you send those people, your visitors, to this page, and they click it and they buy it on Amazon, you get paid a commission. And every single time they buy something, you get paid another commission, another commission, another commission, okay? And you have all of these ingredients here. So there should be no reason why your visitors shouldn't pick up all of these ingredients if they don't have them at home. And that's doing nothing but building your commission and giving you more money. All right, now let me show you how we're going to get those people to your website. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go on Pinterest. And on Pinterest, as you can see, I already uploaded a little image here of my pumpkin spice latte. And so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add a little description, a little title right here. And I'm gonna put this right here: create irresistible pumpkin spice in your own kitchen, as a title. And I'm going to have a little description here. Beautiful, just like that. So I have a picture, I have the title, and I have the description. And now we get to the link, and here's the cool part. So we go ahead and then we copy our link right here. That's going to take these people right to this page, and we paste our link in there just like that. If you are bringing people to your landing page in order for them to get the ingredient list, I would put the list inside of this page right here, that they give you their name, their email, and you'll be able to get their email and they'll be able to receive your ingredient list, right? It'll be something like the list, like right here on this side, okay, right over here, or the list that ChatGPT done fully gave us right here, all of the ingredients. This would be like the ebook, right? The do-it-yourself recipe ebook. And then once they get that, they'll immediately be taken to this page right here, where they can go ahead and they can purchase all of these items, right? And I'll show you exactly how this works. So we go ahead and we create this pin right here. And as you can see, I put the topics: pumpkin spice coffee, pumpkin pie. For some reason, they wouldn't let me put pumpkin spice latte. But, you know, if people are searching for coffee or pumpkin spice or, you know, pumpkin pie, hopefully this pin will come up and they'll be interested and they'll go ahead and click on it. So we're going to go ahead and publish that. Okay, now when people click that pin, they'll come back over, like I said, and then they'll come to our ingredient list right here. Everything on the website, it's already done for you. All you have to do is go ahead and click the link. And when people come over here and they say, okay, so I need Domino's brown sugar, they're going to go ahead and click the Domino's, and guess where it's going to take them? Right to Amazon. All they got to do is press that add to cart. They purchase it and you receive that affiliate commission. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this really helped. If you guys looking for more ways in order to get leads and sales to your sales funnel and through affiliate marketing, go ahead, click the link in the description and get my funnel blueprint for free. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope this helped you out. Be sure to comment down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.